I'm so hungry. It's time to eat. And I'm gonna make blowtorch hot dogs with my blowtorch and a fork. You ever have them? Sorry, there's a generator or something back there if you hear it. Hopefully they go to lunch soon too. Look it, telescopic. These are ballpark Angus beef franks. Got my friends here, Mr. Pumpkinhead's head and Scully. What are you so happy about? Oh, he's happy. He's gonna have a hot dog. He's all bones, no skin. I'm gonna start with one, because I'm not a hog. Stoneware. Hear that? It's like a tuning fork. Here we go! Time to eat! How do you like your flame? Too bad it's not dark out. Anyway, don't mount my doggies. And burn that off. Here we go! Just like the campfire. Oh, rotisserie! Oh, listen to the sizzle. Love it. You can have a whole hot dog party out here. Everybody could be from a safe distance away. See? Sitting back, relaxing, cooking a wiener with my buddies. What's up, pal? Hey! Rest and relaxation. Starting to smell it. It smells smoky. I should get my bun ready. Can I do that with one hand? Oh, easy, easy, easy. Look at it. All right. I don't want to get done too quick. I got him, one-handed. Pay attention to that meat. Whew. What fun with meat in a bun and a blowtorch. And my friend Scully and Pumpkinhead. I am really hungry. How y'all doing? Good? It's like a campfire. It smells so good. It didn't plump, did it? Oh, these are Angus. Angus beef, bun size. How big is the bun? All right, I'll go with that. Anybody else want one? Anybody in the general vicinity?
I'll take one.
It's almost done. See that? Rotating nicely. What a great idea. Could do this with sausage too. Thank you, old torch of mine. Oh, look at this beauty. All juicy. Browned up nice. Would you have any Grey Poupon? But of course. Kinda like biscuits with mustard on them sometimes. Cough makes me nervous. They turned me loose from the nervous hospital. Said I'm well from it now. Now I like meat. Slice of my grandson Colin's pickles that he made with his grandma. Some onions grown in my refrigerator. And I'm going to take a bite with my blowtorch hot dog for lunch. Join me. Delicious. You gonna cook yours with the torch?
Yep.
All right. We're gonna eat them all. Thanks for stopping by. Talk to you later. Say bye, Scully. Bye, Scully. Bye, Pumpkinhead. Bye, Pumpkinhead. Oh, there's neighbors. What's up, neighbors? Take care. Please subscribe. Stop back soon. Go make some dogs with the torch.